Hello guys, today before I will start to tell you what I'm doing, I want to appreciate all of you. I want to say thank you for your massive support. Thank you for your continuous time present all the time to watch my videos. Guys, thank you so much. Today I'm making turmeric, ginger, honey, black pepper, cayenne pepper, honey, bomb immunity boosting level drink. It's not a drink, sauce. It's not really a sauce. It's like I'm gonna mix everything with honey. So in the morning you just take a teaspoon, morning, evening. If you have cold, you have cough, you have sore throat, you feel somehow you want to boost your immune system, this is the bomb drink. Or yes, the bomb drink you're gonna be taking to boost your immune system level. It's gonna be made of turmeric, fresh turmeric, or you use turmeric powder, a lot of honey, then lemon zest and lemon juice or lime, then garlic, grate a little bit of garlic in there, and cayenne pepper. All this gonna mix all together. Then this honey will now soak everything. It will infuse. You know, that is what you take your teaspoon in the morning and just put it in a hot water and drink, or you just put it in your mouth like that, you know, with some drop of water just to flush it down. It's very healthy, guys. We all know what turmeric does to our body, to our skin, to our face. Okay? Make sure you get a very good honey, please. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric are great for the skin. They are good for our digestive system. They are rich in antioxidants. They are able to heal wounds and burns. They boost our immunity. They help with allergy, and they do more. Likewise, honey. We all know what honey contains. Honey and turmeric are both used for a variety of problems like cold, digestive issue, cut, wounds, muscles, and spring, along with many other health and skin issues. Okay? So, where turmeric is known for its detoxification. Turmeric can detox you. Turmeric is known for its detoxification property and can leave you softened. If you drink it every day, it will soften your belly. You go to the toilet every day. One simple daily detox turmeric recipe can be prepared by adding teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, then honey to taste, then lemon juice and lukewarm water. Have this every day in an empty stomach in the morning. Guys, it will flush out all those fat in your belly. You will have a flat, nice tummy and a healthy tummy. Each time you eat, you won't have problem. Everything will digest. So likewise, the same thing too. Honey and turmeric, you can use it on your skin. They are skin lightening properties. They got skin lightening properties. But today, I'm not doing it to lighten skin or to lighten your complexion. I'm doing it to boost your immune system. If you have cold, sore throat, cough, you know, indigestion problem, this is for you here. So that is my fresh turmeric. Turmeric is a family of ginger, but it's not ginger. They are all brother and sister, like I would say. This is my ginger, my fresh ginger. That is my lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime. They're all the same. And that is my clove of garlic. And that is my cayenne pepper. That is my cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, yeah, from Tesco's. And that is my mixed black peppercorn. I got turmeric powder, but you can use, if you don't have fresh one, use the powder. I got my honey there. Okay? So guys, the thing with fresh turmeric is, or the dry one is, this thing I'm gonna make now, it will change the color of your teeth. So please make sure you brush your teeth morning and evening with a good paste. So now I'm gonna grate my turmeric. This is very healthy. I've been using this thing for last year, last year during this Langbaja problem. And last year when I had called, and somebody just said, oh, do this, and it's working for me. I use this one every day in the house. I do it. So I'm like, why can't I do it and video it and then show it to other people as well, to to see if they like it. And turmeric changes your color hands, so you might wear gloves if you want. I don't want to wear hand gloves, okay? After a couple of days it will go off. So that is the turmeric there, okay? That is my grated ginger there. It doesn't matter. Put it in any container. Put it in the fridge. Every day you bring it out, put it in a hot water, or you just eat it. Take a spoon, put in your mouth with your warm water and drink. My guy, you won't have any cold, headache, body pain, arthritis. And this thing is for weight loss as well. It flush your system, detox you, purify you, cleanses you. Okay, so this thing, whether concoction, we call it a mixing, you need to, that is garlic, ginger and turmeric. Now this is garlic. I'm gonna grate garlic in there. So the lemon juice and the honey, they will quench the garlic. I know some people, they don't like they don't like garlic, because truly when you eat garlic, your skin, that is to show you the antiseptic in garlic. That is to show you how powerful garlic is. You know, it will come out of your skin. That's to show you it contains a lot of nutrient and a lot of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. So when you do this, make sure you brush your teeth 2 times a day, morning and evening, before you go to bed, because your teeth will change color. Okay, guys, your teeth will change color. This one, I use it at home. Last year, I made a full jar. I use it every day, and I was fine. It will boost your immune system. It does a lot of things generally in your health, in your body, in your system. This thing I'm doing, the medicine is powerful. It's powerful, guys. That is it. You can blend it, but don't put water. That's why I don't want to blend it, because I can blend it, but I prefer to grate it, so that the juice, I don't put water in them. You know, I don't want anything to waste, because this fresh turmeric, it cost me a fortune. So I'm gonna put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, apple cider vinegar, a little bit in there. Okay, then I'm gonna put my lemon zest. The lemon zest will go in there. If you don't have lemon at home, use lime. Okay, lemon zest will go in there. You can do a full jar if you want to do it for the children, everybody. It's very, very effective for cold, cough, catarrh, anything. It will heal you, clean your system. Okay, this has really, really benefited me. That's why I'm bringing it out to others to see, you know. So because I don't want anything to waste, I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar to wash everything here, you know. So you mix it like that. Yeah. I haven't put lemon juice yet. I'm gonna put the turmeric powder a little bit. Okay, I use the fresh one. If you don't have fresh one, don't worry. Use the powder one, okay? Cayenne pepper is very healthy. So I'm using cayenne pepper. Put a little bit. Then black pepper, mix black pepper corn. You go in there. This is a concoction that it will, when it hits your body, any pain there, any sickness there, they will hear queen. You know what is queen? Any pain, any fat in your blood, this will go and melt it. You know, chili is very, very effective in our body. People don't know. The chili we eat, they do magic to your body. Only chili alone can slim you down. Eat it sensibly anyway. So I'm gonna put the lemon juice in there. Okay? Lemon juice will go in there. Okay? Then I'm gonna slice some lemon in there. Okay, guys? This thing, it takes a lot of honey. That's the only problem with it. Make sure you get good honey, Manuka honey, any good honey from the supermarket. You will not regret doing this thing I'm doing, my guys. You will not regret it. That is the honey going in there. A good honey, not sugar honey. They have sugar honey. Get a good honey, please. Okay? So now I'm gonna mix it. You see the concoction? This thing now, you take 2 spoons every day, 2 spoons every day, or once every day. Put it in a hot water in your cup of tea. You'll be bouncing everywhere like a Tom and Jerry. The honey and the lemon juice has quenched even the chili. I thought it was gonna be hot. No. Oh, this is beautiful. The honey is the one that I'm gonna quench both the garlic, both the ginger, gonna quench them down. So I'm going to put them in the fridge. They're gonna go in the fridge. I just take 2 spoons, put in my hot water and drink. So guys, that is your bomb. Bomb. You know bomb, when you throw a bomb, you know what it does? This is a bomb to boost your immune system. I am telling you, I do this. I've been doing this not today. The whole of last year, that is what I've been doing. The whole of last year. The only thing is that it changed the color of your teeth, but I don't mind. Because I got a good teeth paste whitener, which I use morning and evening to brush my teeth. So guys, this turmeric, ginger, honey, cayenne pepper, black pepper, vinegar, lemon and lime and garlic, I call them turmeric, ginger, honey bomb. You know, or immunity boosting level, anti-inflammatory base. Okay guys, so watch this video carefully and follow the procedure and do it the way I did it. You'll be looking for my channel every day. And please, if you have not subscribed to this amazing channel that is bringing you organic, authentic remedies to look after your skin, to boost your immune system, to live a healthy lifestyle, please, I beg of you, go and subscribe. Run down, hit the notification bell, press it, poke it, and let it go bang, 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 so that each time I upload the video, you will be the first to be notified. You will be the first to know that, this woman don't upload video. Let me go watch and quick. Like I see the new update. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Immune booster bomb. This is a bomb. It will hit anything that is in your system, in your body, anything that is not supposed to be in your body. This thing will blast them. I call it immune system blast. It can be a blast, it can be a bomb. A bomb. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you.